In this video, I will talk about the charging by an induction. And it does have, in this case, we have only one metal sphere. It's called the ground connection method. Let me explain this video. So in this video, you have a metal sphere. So this is a metal sphere, and this metal sphere is standing onto an insulator. So this is insulator, and this is the metal sphere. Right. Now we bring a positively charged glass rod closer to the metal sphere. So what happens now? Once we bring the positively charged glass rod to the metal sphere, this attracts the free electrons to one side. So this side will have free electrons and the other side will have more positive charge. So this side will induce or will have more negative charge by the process again called polarization. So by the process of polarization, this side will have more negative charge and this side will have more positive charge. Now we connect, either we ground the other side. So when I say ground, that means you take a metal wire, and connect it to the ground. When we connect it to the ground, what happens? As this surface has positive charges, and this side has a positive charge, all the electrons from the ground will move and neutralizes this positive charge. So all the charges on this side will be gone. But this charge is still unmoved. Why? Because this charge is the bound charges. It cannot move. And the reason we call the bound charges because this glass rod is keeping all the negative charges in its place. It's not allowing it to move. Okay, so now you see, now this positive charge is gone now because all the electrons from the ground has neutralizes the positive charges, but now we're keeping this one in place now. So keeping this one in place, we now remove the ground connection. So the ground connection has been removed now. Once we remove the ground connection, this side will still have the negative charges and this side has positive charges, the glass rod. And now we remove the glass rod. Once we remove the glass rod, the negative charges is now uniformly distributed over the metal sphere. So this process of charging the metal sphere is still called the charging by conduction, and specifically it is called the ground connection method. So you can see here it is called the ground connection method. Okay, and the one thing to remember is if this is a positive charge, the metal sphere will have the negative charge. In this process again, the glass rod do not lose any charges. Okay, and the metal sphere will always have the opposite charge than the glass rod.